Hi guys, welcome back to the Diagnostics channel. This will be the 50th video for the YouTube channel, and I said I might do something a little bit different for you today. Today we're going to do my toolbox tour, and to help me out here, my daughter Holly.
Hello.
She's going to do some of the camera work for me. So yeah, it's the Snap-on KRL toolbox with the stainless steel top on it. And over to the left of it there, I have my diagnostic cart. So sitting up top there is the laptop for the picoscope 4425A 4-channel picoscope, oscilloscope. And the scan tool I use is the top-down Phoenix Pro. There's the other half of the top-down Phoenix Pro. Little circuit tester here, handy one, no lead attached to it. And yeah, Holly's just going to take the camera there now. And it was the Picoscope 4425A was the standard kit I got. And we got amp clamp, low amp clamp with it. And we got the high amp clamp with it. We got leads and back probing pins there, crocodile clips. Let me take out this. We got the resistance. We got the coil on plug. Wand tester there. We got the resistance leads with it. Many more things as well. In here we have our first look sensor for checking pressure in exhaust pipes and intake manifolds. Got my Snap-on multimeter, digital multimeter. And over here, look, for a cool kit from AES Wave I got. Nice accessory for the picoscope. We've got a full set of leads there, 4 leads in each one, with different male and female connectors, spade connectors. Every type of connectors, even the little small ones, very handy. Breakout fuse leads. It's an awesome kit. Gets a lot of use. Back probing pins, resistors, resistors for the airbags and all that kind of stuff. It's an awesome kit. Highly recommend that from AES Wave. Box then I have my power probe, the hook. Very good tool as well. This thing can supply circuits with anything from 1 to 12 volts. If you wanted to give something 5 volts, like a 5 volt reference circuit, you can do it with this. You can power up things, you can give things grounds. It's an awesome piece of kit. Just an array of back probing pins and leads that I got over the years. We've got circuit testers, incandescent ones, LED ones, again handy. And the last box that we have in here is a terminal release kit. Don't use it that much, but it is handy when you need it. And that's in my diagnostic cart trolley there. Also, I do have this USA battery charger. It's up over there somewhere, but there's the box for it. Now, I might bring you to the toolbox and the top drawer. Top drawer is where I keep all my sockets and my power tools. So I've got snap-on 1/4 inch, snap-on 3/8, Milwaukee impact driver, Milwaukee 1/2 inch gun, little 3/8 stubby from Milwaukee, snap-on ratchet, 1/4 inch long neck ratchet from Milwaukee, handy, and an impact ratchet type thing from Milwaukee as well. I've got my extensions for the 3/8 with the little wobble head on them. They're quite handy. Impact sockets, short impact sockets, big impact sockets going up as far as 36. Little Torx, little Allen keys. They're quite handy. These little 1/4 impact ones with the internal magnet in them for holding a nut or a bolt if you're trying to get it into an awkward spot. Stubby 3/8 impacts, 12-point impacts in 3/8, chrome 3/8, again 6-sided 3/8 deep. These are for sump nuts or gearbox oil, 3/8 sockets, female Torx, multi-point Torx, my 1/2 inch impacts, shallow and deep. They're quite handy, them little sockets. Do you know, if you're trying to spread a ball joint or trying to spread a hub, if you're getting a shock out of it, I have 3 of them there in different sizes. Extensions. So that's the top drawer, sockets and power tools. Second drawer, spanner drawer, stubby spanners, normal spanners 10 to 19, ratchet spanners. These are very good from Snap-on. I highly recommend them. They are expensive, but they are awesome as well. These type from Tang Tool. It's got a kind of a swivel socket type head on them. Handy. We got the crow's feet there. We got more sockets here. Torx in 3/8 and Allen keys in 3/8. Female Torx spanners, flare nut spanners. They just complete the set of the Snap-on ratchet spanners. They go from 6 to 8 and then 10 to 19. We have here from Beta long reach spanners. They're very handy as well. They go from 8 to size 24, and then again in the Tang Tool they go from 21 to 32. On this side I have little bits, torque bits, 1/2 inch torque drive bits, and the same there on our spliny ones. That's the second drawer. Spanners mostly. Third drawer is my pliers drawer. Most of these are from Pneumatic. A few Snap-on ones there as well. They're very good ones. Got them fairly recently. Snap-on wire strippers. They are quite handy, them in the Nipex. You can grab something that way and twist it that way. Long snipe nose. These Cobras, probably the best pliers I've ever seen. They have got out some stuff. The grip on them is serious. Hose clip pliers is oil filter removal pliers is for your exhaust straps or bands. Another hose clip with the cable on it. You can grab stuff. That's the third drawer. Number 4, I have screwdrivers, files, trim removers, torque screwdrivers, extendable pole thing. If you want to, handy for pressing the brake or holding up a bonnet. Wiper arm removal, that's what that's for. Chisels, paint pens. I don't know what that is. It's like a pop riveter, but it secures them in there. I don't actually know, is it? I don't know. Pop riveter I'm calling it anyway. It may not be called that. The next drawer down, I have my vice grips, Irwin vice grips, thread chasers, thread foils, carbon scraper, large picks, small mini picks, short, O-seal removers, and longer picks, little mini pry bar, little precision screwdriver. Next drawer, hammers, more pry bars, set of pry bars there from, that is this Tang tool stuff, wire brushes. They are for clamping hoses, so you won't lose water or diesel or petrol hoses. You can clamp with them. In here, I'll just give Holly the camera there. In here we have precision pliers, set of 3 from Snap-on. Another pliers, I wouldn't fit in the pliers drawer. It's the 90-degree snipe nose pliers. Butane gun for heating up solder or heat shrink, or air hammer. And then I have the bits for the air hammer, the chisels, pry bar, soldering iron, pry bar, exhaust pliers for the rubbers on the exhaust. It's very handy. Don't have that long ago. Right angled pneumatic angle grinder, wire wheel, and the same then with the straight head on it. It's got a 120-degree angle on that one. Pop rivet gun as well, or pop riveter. And that's that drawer. The bottom drawer then, I have Milwaukee angle grinder, Snap-on reciprocating saw, Milwaukee precision drill, a Tabo drill, King Tony stubby power tool with torque ratchet for removing ball joints. What have I got? Flow stops. Handy, you know, if you're changing fuel filters, or you know you don't want diesel coming out, you can block them with them. Snap-on trim remover set, non-marring, drill bits from Milwaukee. What have we got in here? Tang tool impact driver screwdriver. This I got from Ryan's Automotive for checking the low side pressure of your diesel fuel. Gauge the sight glass, you can check for bubbles, you can use it on petrols as well. And all different type of connectors and hoses. who makes the LTR, I think. So that's the last drawer there, and we'll go over to this side, my ratchet drawer. We've got power bar, flex head, long 1/2 inch ratchet, snap on, 3/8 flex head, again from snap on, these are all snap on, 1/2 inch normal ratchet, 3/8, the flex head 1/4 inch ratchet, the normal ratchet 1/4 inch again. This is the 1/4 inch with the 3/8 head on it, and then this is a funny little baby 1/4 inch ratchet, very handy too actually. Impact driver, more pry bars, they adjust to whatever angle you want them at, quite handy too. Stanley blade, and that's that drawer. So the impact bits here, more impact bits here with the little ratchet. I got Torx, Allen keys, and we got in here from Teng Tool, precision screwdrivers. You can change the heads on them, handy for, you know, little removing, opening keys and stuff like that. Diesel priming kit. After changing fuel filter on the diesel, you can prime the system with them. These are for blocking off the fuel feed to the injector if you wanted to just block off one to see would your fuel pressure come back. I've used them a lot in videos. Diamond cutters for the drill. These are just a kind of a accessory to them. Magnifying glass. And then finally, this is the last drawer. I have my Mickey back there. Brake piston wind back tool kit from Sealy. And what have we got? We've got a 4-piece metric tin wall spark plug socket set there, and we've got injector seat, diesel injector seat cutter for when you're changing the washers in injectors on diesel wagons. And then we've got, haven't even used this yet, it's an oil transfer pump, handy for if you're draining fuel tanks. And then lastly, we got my vernier caliper. So I think, lads, that is it. That is my toolbox tour done. Thank you, Holly. Thanks for doing it. Helped me out today. Well, finally, you know, look, a couple of trolleys that I own as well. 2 trolleys I got off the snap-on truck as well. Just for putting your spanners, your bolts, stuff up on, and that is it. So, yeah, thank you for watching, everybody. Thumbs up. And I hope you like this. Something a little bit different, but yeah, for the 50th video, that is my snap-on toolbox tour. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you in the next one. Bye.